our special guest today, I don't need to introduce him to you. You probably already know. So please welcome our special guest.
Hey guys, Vimal here. Hi Amar bro, how are you?
Pandemic. So we're going to be asking some quick questions, not serious questions. नहीं होंगे, आराम से simple
Basically,
questions.
we're gonna have some fun in this video.
So before we start, the obvious question you get asked a lot, I'll still ask it again.
Okay.
What is your configuration of your system?
Yeah, it keeps updating every week. So it's very hard to say, this is my configuration. Every time I keep getting new parts, testing होता रहता है,
So there's no one set configuration.
नहीं, कभी भी update होता ही रहता है.
So one slightly controversial question. Intel or AMD? Your personal favorite?
See, personally right now I'm using AMD. But see, for my gaming purpose, I have an Intel machine at my home.
Makes sense. So
I have both of them.
Diplomatic answer. What do you expect? Okay, so another interesting question I wanted to ask was, do you get recognized when you walk around? You go to the supermarket, you're buying something, and hey Vimal, how are you? Does that happen to you?
Yeah, a lot. See, whenever I go to a supermarket or maybe malls also, people, especially teenagers of my age, they keep coming to me like, hey, you're Vimal, right? I see a lot of your builds pieces, they're like pretty awesome.
So a lot of people might not know, Vimal started way back in 2015 when that ecosystem wasn't big and so on. So would you tell somebody watching the video, is this a viable career option for somebody? Is it possible for somebody to do this?
Career in the sense if you want to make money or how? What is the question?
That way, this is your full-time job. I'm just a YouTuber. I don't have a other job, that kind of a thing. Is it viable?
If you guys are planning to open like a YouTube channel just for making money, it'll be very tough. I'm telling you, I'm being very honest. Because see, these days YouTube has like saturated so much. It's very hard to get views and make money on this thing is like really difficult. You can keep this as a part-time because see, a lot of people have passion for making videos, right? If you are a person who are like quite enthusiastic, you want to make videos on YouTube and want to get some fame and popularity, then it's a good platform. But money making ke liye, nahi, don't come here like that. If you're like passionate now, you want to make videos for people, then come here, you'll have fun.
Also, I think when that intention is that money making thing, your content kind of gets messed up because it's not going to be genuine anymore. It's like, ye brand se wo brand
se. Nahi bhai, tum videos bana rahe to make it with passion. Do it for something for people.
Yeah, I agree. We do the same over here. Also, okay, another next question. Do you get trolled online? Do you get toxic comments on your Insta?
I expected this. Okay, see, let me tell you one thing. If you're a YouTuber or maybe any celebrity on a social media platform and if you don't get troll comments, you're not popular. You're not successful.
Correct. It's never going to happen that 100 out of 100 people like you, right?
And also one more thing I have to tell you. You might know this. My name is Vimal. And what do you associate my name with? Vimal.
Exactly. You get those comments?
Exactly. So
that's like a low blow. That's not even trying hard. It's like simple.
I get lots of comments from people, or maybe I should call them haters. I don't know.
Yeah, it must be haters.
They say in my comment section like, whenever they see me, they remember this ad from Ajay Devgan saying Vimal Pan Masala.
That's a really shitty way to troll somebody.
But see, let me tell you, this has actually helped me so much because whenever they see that ad, they're
remembering you again.
Exactly. So it has actually helped me in a positive way instead of trolling me.
What made you go through this path where you thought way back in 2015 you probably were studying still that time?
Yeah, I was doing my engineering.
What made you think that okay, I want to do a YouTube video? What inspired you, so to say? How was that thing for you?
See, when I was doing my engineering, right, that time I had a bit of free time after college. What I used to nothing, right? So I had a lot of talents. That time I was like basically making electronic circuits, basically my college stuff. So I wanted to show these projects to people because in college, see, there are limited number, right? I wanted to show what I can do to the people, and that time I found YouTube as a platform.
Okay.
So that is how I actually planned like, arey, why not make a video, post it on social media? I used to do a lot of DIY projects that time.
Okay.
So
engineering related project वगैरह, that kind of stuff.
Because see, that time I was interested in tech and stuff, but see, when you're starting a YouTube channel, nobody comes and tell, I'll give you products for review or unboxing. Nobody comes, right? So you have to start videos with what you have.
What's available to you.
So that time I used to do like DIY videos. And parallelly, whenever I used to buy something like a headphone, say, or maybe a phone, I used to do videos on that. So somehow, in 1 or 2 years, this thing grew so much because there were no YouTubers that time in 2015-16. And people recognized my videos and they started coming back regularly.
No, I must tell you, like we started our company, the MVP, way back in 2015. I remember that time I used to watch your videos because तेरा ही था जो video आता था, and I think you were close to 10k, 15k subs at that time, and I think now it's crossing 800k, close to 800k. You are now 755k, something like that.
Correct.
So I mean, we've also seen you grow and the content grow. So at what point between 2015 and 2021 you decided that हाँ यही है जो मैं full time करने वाला हूँ? When did that point come for you?
I think by the end of 2018,
Okay.
you know, after the Geo thing became very popular,
Yes.
after that people were like, people started crazily watching my videos, and I got like huge number of audience and views, and then companies started approaching me. I couldn't handle that much of load.
Okay.
Previously it was like I used to get limited amount of products, but then later in 2018 end I got so many products, so many companies. I was like super busy.
Wow.
I actually went to Australia to pursue my masters.
Okay.
And I came back. I couldn't finish my masters.
Wow.
Because that much demand tha.
Wow.
Companies were like, "Arey, why are you going? We have so much work." For you." And also, I really liked making videos.
Of course, yeah. It shows in your videos as well.
I love making videos. It's so much fun. So I thought, see, this is much better option for me. So I thought, chalo, I'll come back. India is my place. It's my home. I wanted to
100%.
do stuff here only.
100%.
So, you know, it happened like
So
that.
a couple of questions before we close, right? So who is your favorite YouTuber? Can be anyone, Indian, foreign, whatever. Who is your favorite YouTuber and why?
I think Unbox Therapy.
Unbox Therapy?
Yeah,
That's brilliant.
because the way he presents
Yeah.
stuff now,
He's a super confident guy.
Yeah.
His set is brilliant.
Yeah.
It's dope. मतलब बढ़िया है.
I enjoy his videos.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice. So, did this thought? Okay, I need to ask this question. Did this thought cross your mind? You obviously see a lot of foreign YouTubers and how their ecosystem is growing.
Yeah.
And you see the kind of sponsorships they get. For example, Linus का पूरा team में
Oh.
each guy is getting 5,000 USD to like upgrade the system and the kind of warehouse he has, and
Yeah.
is that direction where you're looking to go now? Like have a huge warehouse, have a huge team.
I actually
And
have dreamed to do that, but you know, in India, I don't know. Like,
it's still catching up. You're saying
yeah,
it's not that advanced like over
yeah,
there.
it's gonna take time for
Yeah.
Indian market to go, you know, that high.
Okay. So one last couple of questions again. Sorry, I'm extending this. So when brands give you products, right? Do they have an expectation that it's going to be good review only? And what kind of sense of responsibility you have while making a video for your audience?
See, whenever I get a product from a brand, right, I clearly tell them that this will be a review. If it's a review, it'll definitely
It'll have
include
plus
good-
and minus both.
yeah,
right?
pros and cons.
Because we know that a lot of audience, like the trolls we talked about earlier, no matter how objective your review is, there'll be that one guy who's like, oh, ये तो
Exactly.
पैसे ले रहा है. That
You
kind
can't
of
control
nonsense.
these people. They're
That kind of nonsense is going to happen.
it's gonna happen. Yeah.
So, has it ever happened that a brand got upset about the video you made about them?
Nah,
Has it
yeah,
ever happened
never.
with you?
Never.
No. Okay. I think you were mentioning this earlier as well. If there's something more negative about that, you kind of just do not post that at all. Something
See,
like
if
that.
a product is like really bad, I don't do it.
Okay.
It doesn't make sense. If it's not useful, if it's not delivering what it promised, I don't cover it.
All right. Awesome. So right now we're going to be doing a quick store tour. You'll probably see that video on Vimal's channel.
Yeah.
Thank you, Vimal, for doing that for us.
Thank you for having me here.
Awesome. So yeah, we'll get straight to it.
Yeah, let's explore this place, man.
So yeah, that was Vimal, and we're going to be moving to our store soon. So just final words from Vimal.
So I had a great time over here. Yeah. So that was about this place, guys. Make sure to subscribe to his channel, and you'll get some fun interview sessions over here, you know, randomly.
Yeah.
So you can, you know, keep following him.
Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys.
So guys, this is Amar, bro. Please make sure to subscribe. You come in the frame.
okay.
You're so guys, that was our interview session with Achi. Why am I saying?